Today we are taking a tour of Tirtha's room. Tirtha, are you excited?
Yes, I am.
It's not too fancy but just perfect for my 6-year-old daughter. So let's get started. My most favorite part of the room is this little study nook that we have made. It is in the shape of a house with 2 little shelves and a study table which is fixed inside the wall itself. On the first shelf I have kept the statue of goddess Saraswati, which is the goddess of knowledge. On the second shelf I have made this little nameplate for Tirtha. These little watercolor florals are really simple to paint and it looks very elegant. This is a clock that I have ordered from Amazon. It doesn't have any glass, so you can use it to teach the time to children as well. All the products that I am showing in this video, I'll post the links in the description. This is Tirtha's new Lego toy. She has built this model up all by herself. Do check out this toy in the description. It's really fun way to keep children busy. Another thing I want to show you is this storage box. It is a 3-layer box and it is perfect for organizing children's art and craft supplies that they need on day-to-day basis. Under the study table, I have kept 2 baskets full of books. I have kept all the books outside on purpose so that she can easily access the books and read them. Children are more likely to read the books if they are more accessible to them. The next thing I want to show you is this bunk bed. It was my daughter's fantasy to have a lovely bunk bed for herself, just like the Peppa Pig and George. The top part we have purposely painted in a different color to give it the effect that it's a separate cozy and comfy space for her to play. I have decorated the walls with some hand-drawn cartoons, a banner and some stickers that I ordered from Amazon. Another thing I want to show you is this sitting arrangement that we have made near the window. I really love this spot and Tirtha can sit there, read her books, do her work or play with her doll houses. We have also made some storage cabinets under the sitting arrangement to store her toys and other things. The next thing I want to show you is this closet for clothes and accessories. We have used hexagon pattern design and the pink, light green and grey laminate for this. It's a little unusual combination but it looks very pretty. At the bottom we have this big drawer for storing toys. I have reused some bottles that we get with Bournvita and other health drinks to store the different sets of Tirtha's toys so that they stay organized. Another piece of furniture I want to show you is this closet next to the window sitting. Some of the compartments in this closet are closed and some are open for easy access to things. Right now we are using it to keep all the soft toys that she has and some board games, her dolls, etc. Next we have fixed this tall mirror in the center of the room. This makes the room feel larger than it actually is. For the window we have used a rolling curtain instead of fabric curtain because fabric curtain might have taken the space out of our sitting arrangement below. Hope this video is useful to you.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye.